Yeah, what up, folks? Just want to hit you back with one more little video right quick. This is just a recap with everything. The damn 10-inch Tesla style monitor got set up. You see it's already in the custom box. You know what I'm saying? But really, like the last time I showed y'all something, the whole inside was green, and I told y'all I was going to black. So I just want to give you a look at, you know, what I came up with, my little results right here. I'm talking about everything that's black. It used to be green. Just a little something so I can ride right quick. As you can see, the inside of the door panel still green, but don't you worry about that. That shit gonna be a whole nother shade. I ain't talking about green. It's gonna be a whole nother color all the way. You know what I'm saying? My hairliner is black. You can tell that shit used to be green. Everything was green. You know what I'm saying? My visors, I ain't even got them put in yet. You know what I'm saying? Got my rear view mirror still took out. On the visor side. Look at that dash. I got my seats in here, but they're not bolted down. I just got them in. You know, I ain't really got a whole lot of storage space to put them. So I didn't want them to get messed up in the weather, so I left them in here. Yeah, it's, you know, everything except for like the wood grain. Even my seatbelts, I ain't leaving nothing out. Everything black. Yeah, RP my nigga. Yes sir. No cap. Black Juice. Right to Jacobs, my nigga. Yeah, can't get copyrighted for this one. I bet you that. Yeah, my nigga. See the dope? We still roll. I'm gonna show you everything I told y'all. I'm gonna give you all the flaws, everything I got going on. I ain't gonna leave nothing out. So when I finish and let everybody know what I've been through to get what I got, where I got it to. You know what I'm saying? I did all this myself. I ain't bragging or none of that, but just know that anything you want to do, you can do it. You know what I'm saying? I could have sent it to the shop, no problem. I've been doing everything else, but time wouldn't permit me to do that. So you know what I'm saying? I still want to at least be able to pop my dough. I'm out there, you know what I'm saying? It'll stop like anything, because the motherfucker outside gonna be down sitting on 10, so why not have the inside up to part 2? Shit. Told you, blacked out, but let me show you the rest. Let y'all hit some more of my nigga too. Black Juice! You a middleman. 6 kids got a lot of shit to think about. 3 cribs, 4 whips, 6 bank accounts. Look at that seat. Jet black, baby. No evidence, no fingerprints or no witness. 100,000 bands on your head, nigga. How you miss? In the deep sea. Diving with the fish. Black Juice. Killer sticking with me. Niggas know how I do. Black Juice run the motherfucking city. Black Juice. I know a lot of young boys. Y'all ain't about us trapping these killer niggas. Motherfucking little black dot to y'all or what? You can leave a motherfucking comment if you want to. You ain't got to, but if you want to. Doing real motherfucking businessman, nigga. No joking, nigga. All black. That shit used to be green, man. I went black. Juice run the city, nigga. Niggas can't see me when I get in this bitch. I'm with my boy Absolute. He do it real nice. And I love the way he mix this shit up. And I'm still water whipping in the kitchen. Bad bitches still do juice dishes. Everybody know Black Juice run the city. R.I.P. my dog and Jizzy J, nigga. Catch me in that black being smooth in the black Juice. Baby ass, wiping ass niggas. On the motherfucking city, smoking on perk with your bitch, nigga. Don't look bad, all black dude. Went from green to black. All black, everything, nigga, on the inside with black dot. Everything but that wood grain. And them chrome pieces, them chrome tips every motherfucking where. That's all.
Smoking on live, nigga. Run the motherfucking city, nigga. Smoking on motherfucking loud, nigga.
What's up? Oh yeah, and man, look, I told y'all about my damn battery. You might have to go back a couple episodes, but I don't come mess with this car that often, especially not cranking it up. But when I come do work to it, I like to crank it up. You know what I'm saying? But shit, like I said in a couple episodes ago, like when I'm recording and gotta crank it up and shit, my battery be dead because I don't never come out here every day and mess with it. I don't crank it up every day, every other day, not even every week. But I just wanted to let y'all know, like, all it really is, you know what I'm saying? That's just me not coming out here messing with it. But it really, like, it'll fire up with no problem. So I went to the damn parts store and dropped the damn battery off, you know what I'm saying? Got the little quick charge. So I'm gonna see if this motherfucker hit for y'all. Shit. She got your answer. I told you, she ready to go. One more stop, that's the paint shop. 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 I hear that motherfucker, that bitch ready for the road, Jack. Look. Shining like a light. You ready to do that. Ready to shake something. Ready to go. Walk around, cause this is the last time you gonna see this mug right here green, Jack. I promise you that. Excuse the damn little screaming in the background. That's the kids running around crazy. Trying to get a little round view of this junk. The last time you gonna see it green, tell you. Next time it's gonna be a whole different color. Whole nother color. I can't even tell you what color yet. I'm gonna surprise you. Color I ain't never went with, so I'm just trying something different. But I imagine it's gonna look pretty decent. Pretty decent. No different. Yeah. So coming to a street near you real soon, folks. It's the last recap. Last recap. When you see it again, she's gonna look like fine wine. Fine wine. It ain't gonna be a piece missing out of here. Everything going back like it was. It's just gonna be a different color. So get ready for the new reveal. Won't be long. It's a couple weeks. It's a couple damn weeks. Yep. I'll see you there. Don't meet me there, beat me there.